I said, oh my gosh, babe, it's raining. My wig will come off. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, my husband wants to go to Connecticut and I have to be getting ready before he gets here. He's on the phone right now. Babe, say hi.
Hi guys.
Yeah, so I have to get ready before he gets here, and we know women are always fashionably late, but he gets really annoyed when I'm like not ready. And I only secured like this part of my wig to do the video I made earlier. So now I have to actually make sure my wig is secured because it's winter. It's probably gonna be windy outside, so I need to make sure the wig is actually secured so it doesn't blow the hell off my head. Oh, I wanted to show you guys how I secure it. Now I use my Got2b glue, this black one, and I'm gonna also show you like the part that is already secured. You like see it stops right there. So I'm gonna pin this part up, and then babe said he wanted to see how I secure my wig, so I'm showing him and showing you guys at the same time. Now you don't have to use a babe. Do I sound weird because I'm sick? Can you tell?
No, I can't.
Okay, I don't use too much because this will dry kind of white, so like I use a small amount. I don't know if you guys can see it, but if you can't, then I don't know. But I don't use a lot, and I like how I do it is I do it like I'm, you know, laying your edges, like swooping it back. So you remember the day when you and I were on the road and I said, oh my gosh, babe, it's raining, my wig will come off. Yeah, it will come off for real. Mine is not gonna like drop off because I have like an elastic band in it that kind of holds it too, so it's not gonna like just drop off, but the front will start lifting, and that's not cute. When I put the Got2b glue on, I kind of allow it to like get tacky, and everybody who you watch who uses the Got2b glue, you will hear them saying this. You allow it to get tacky, like kind of dry, and then that's when you put the hair down on it. So I'm gonna go over to this side too. Guys, the elastic band makes it tight enough on its own too, where I could like literally like wear it like that without securing it, which is how I'm like wearing it with like partial security. But because I'm gonna be going outside, oh my gosh, I haven't even showered yet. I'm literally gonna have to shower with what little makeup I have on my face on. No, that's nasty. I'm gonna have to shower.
You could wait on me.
I don't want to wait on you. No. I want to go shower before, because when I get out, I'm gonna have to like do my brows and like put some powder on my face.
Alright. Just take care of that.
And I know some of you guys are probably like, oh my gosh, I would never say that on camera. Oh my gosh, I feel like this side is too dry. What I'm trying to do with this channel right now is to be as real as I honestly am. Like, however I am on camera is however I will be if you should meet me. You know, and I like that. I want to be myself. I want to be able to be myself. And I want people to appreciate me for being myself. I don't want to be some of these people who you see that are like being so fake, and I don't know. Okay, so it's time to secure this side. Some Got2b glue was already on this, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just slightly like wet these sides to like help it lay flat with whatever glue is already on it. This side always gives me a warm time, and I like too much off of this side, and it's just a whole situation going on for this side. I'm going to like spread up a little bit. After I like lay it down, I'm gonna tie it with my handkerchief and go shower. And then when I'm done with my shower, I'm gonna come back and show you guys what it looks like. Hopefully I have time to like come back. So guys, I'm done, and I'm gonna try showing what it looks like. Hopefully it's laid. Yeah, it is. Laid. This is how I secure my 360 wigs or my frontals. Looks really nice, and this is how I'll be wearing it today. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.